Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The metal packaging market is experiencing solid growth. According to market research firms, the global metal packaging market was worth $150.59 billion in 2024, and it is projected to hit $194.68 billion by 2032, expanding at a compounded annual growth rate of 3.26%. That growth is being fueled by increased demand from canned goods, energy drinks, carbonated soft drinks, juice, and sparkling waters. And this is where Ardagh Metal Packaging S.A., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol AMBP, comes into play. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Luxembourg-based Ardagh Metal Packaging is a leading global supplier of infinitely recyclable, sustainable metal beverage cans and ends to brand owners. Subsidiary of sustainable packaging business Ardagh Group, AMP is a leading industry player with a number 2 market position in Europe, number 3 share in North America and Brazil. And it also holds the number 2 position in the global glass industry. On the operational front, it operates 23 production facilities in 9 countries and has annual sales of approximately $5 billion and adjusted EBITDA of $600 million. Now, its customers are made up of a wide range of leading beverage producers serving categories including beer, carbonated soft drinks, energy drinks, juices, teas, sparkling waters, and wines. Some of its customers include juggernauts like Coca-Cola, Anheuser-Busch. Now, thanks to secular or long-term tailwinds, the outlook for Ardagh Metal remains bright, in addition to solid industry growth, because it helps protect, transport, and preserve products in virtually every sector. Ardagh products are in demand throughout the entire economic cycle.
And in the second quarter result, they top estimates and the company increased its guidance.
Yeah, Ardagh Metal Packaging kicked off the year with strong first quarter results, and that momentum actually carried into the second quarter. For the period ended June 30th, revenue increased 16% on an annualized basis to $1.45 billion. This included strong growth from the Americas of over 8% and 12% from Brazil. Now, second quarter operating profit was $82 million from $55 million in the same prior year period. Net income was $5 million or break even per share. That's up from $2 million or a loss of 1 cent per share in the second quarter of 2024. And adjusted earnings per share climbed to 8 cents from 6 cents per share last year.
And it upgraded its full year guidance.
Yeah, thanks to robust business performance, management has further upgraded its full year adjusted EBITDA guidance to a range of $705 million to I think $725 million. Some other quick numbers. Adjusted free cash flow expectations for 2025 remain unchanged at least $150 million. And for the third quarter, adjusted EBITDA is projected to rise from $196 million last year to a range of $200 million to $210 million.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And on the passive income front, John, this company declared a quarterly dividend of 10 cents per share.
Well, Ardagh only went public in August 2021 and began paying a dividend in 2022. So it doesn't exactly have a long history of paying dividends, but it has paid a quarterly dividend of, I think it's 10 cents per quarter for the last 2 years. This past August, paid a quarterly dividend of 10 cents per share, or 40 cents per share on an annual basis for a forward dividend yield of 10.5%.
And AMBP stock has double-digit upside potential.
AMBP shares ripped higher late April on strong first quarter results, and they had been trending higher over the ensuing months. Despite reporting another solid quarter and earnings beat, investors were not as impressed and sent AMBP shares lower. Perhaps it was a bit of an overreaction. AMBP stock is up more than 4% since it reported second quarter results. As of this recording, AMBP stock is 58% over the last 6 months and 38% year to date. Now, Wall Street remains bullish on AMBP stock as well. Citigroup increased their target price on AMBP stock from $4 to $5 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Ardagh Metal Packaging is a pure play listed beverage can producer with a big market share in Europe, North America, and Brazil. After a year of transition in 2023, the company reported solid 2024 results and kicked off 2025 with the first and second quarter earnings and revenue beat. It also updated its third quarter and full year guidance. This is good news for a whopping 242 institutions holding 18.95% of all outstanding shares. Some of the biggest holders include Kenyan Capital Advisors, BlackRock, and Goldman Sachs Group. A far larger 76.04% of all shares are held by insiders. Together, insiders and institutions account for more than 95% of all outstanding shares. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.